Hi, I'm Carmel Debadine. I believe food shouldn't just taste good, but it should look awesome as well. Join me as I bring my kitchen to yours. This is the DB Kitchen. Morning everyone. I happen to have a breakfast loaf in the oven right now, and to keep myself occupied while it bakes, I'm going to make a blueberry compote. This is a great and super simple, quick and easy fix if you find yourself out of jam. You can also make this a keto version by using erythritol. Got it. Otherwise, we're just going to use a little bit of vanilla, some honey, and some lemon to flavour this up. So we have a 1/4 cup of water. That we're just going to add the blueberries, and we're just going to cook that down. Add in a little bit of lime juice and the vanilla. We're just going to let this bubble down and condense until all this lovely thick juice is reduced. Once it looks like it's the right kind of consistency for you, all you need to do is take it off the heat and let it cool down. Now you can just gently pour it into a bowl and let it cool. For the full recipe, please go to my website, thedbkitchen.com, and check out our Instagram page @thedbkitchen.